Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and in this video I'll explain how to use screener.in under 3 minutes. I'll explain 5 basics of screener.in and in my follow-up videos I'll explain in detail. This is my screener sheet and you can see my screener page as follow. Point number 1. You can create your own stock watch list. Post signing into your screener account, create your own stock watch list by just adding the names of the company you want to keep an eye on. Point number 2. You can keep track of your wish list stocks. Here you can see my wish list stock with daily updates. I get to know all updates of the company on a day-to-day basis. This way, I'll get all material information about the company in one spot. Point number 3. Check on upcoming quarterly and annual reports. Here you can check upcoming reports. You can plan your day in advance and read all the reports and invest accordingly. Point number 4. Select the required ratios and create your own. Under watch list, click on edit column and select ratios of your choice, or you can also create your own ratio. Once selected, the ratio appear in columns as follows. Point number 5. You can also create your own screen. Here you can see my created screens that are large cap fund, finding gem and small cap fund. To know the formulas for this, subscribe to my channel and in my later videos I'll explain them in detail. You can also get some popular themes as shown here. You can also select from popular formulas as listed here. And that's screener in under 3 minutes. Subscribe for more information and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.